Hi guys, good morning. Si Chichi is cooking. Nag-live ko guys kay nakita ko istorya sa inyo. Tanawa kong baba. Nagnam siya. So kung gusto mo makabalo, if you guys plan to have like braces, implant, or cleaning the teeth, I experienced it guys. This is so crazy. Back in 7 years, I went to my regular doctor just to clean my teeth, okay? Now, pag man na cleaning, after cleaning, ingon ang doctor na I need this, I need those, I need to take this out, I need to fix this. I'm just actually shocked and surprised how much work that you need to do with my teeth. I'm thinking I don't have no problem. And then when I went to my regular doctor, the doctor discovered that I have still baby teeth. I have two. This one and this one. That's why it's missing. Because they take that baby teeth out there. There is two. Okay. And the doctor told me, in order to do this, you need to take out this baby tooth. And the baby tooth is fine. It's no cavity. It's all good. But because of baby tooth, I'm 35 years old at the time. I still have baby tooth. Okay. So what happened is they start taking the baby tooth out, and then they refer me to the other doctor, the specialist of the other, who do our braces. And I get my appointment, and then after there, X-ray and everything, and what they can do. And the braces doctor told me that okay, you can do this, you can do that, and and they actually feel hard how to do braces my teeth, because before, when you're a little baby, we didn't want to brush our teeth, and we just eat junk foods or candies and not brushing teeth, and nobody follow up those. Okay. And then that's why when you're growing up, you end this way. Okay. And then now when I went to my braces doctor, told me, okay, this is what you need to pay, and this is what I need to pay. And I'm glad that we have insurance there, and we only pay out pocket. Okay. And then after those, I got all my schedule and then a lot of my schedule. And believe me, they all check my teeth, and it takes 5 years to get the what you call that braces done. But after those, I think the braces doctor give up already. Because they try that they can do about my teeth, and I appreciate those. But the only thing is, when you're getting old, I thought your teeth is hard to move anymore for braces. That's why probably you move, but not like that is affected this. But because when I bite it, and still can see the teeth, because my braces after 5 braces out already. I think I'm out that last month. So, and then they make me a retainer. So the retainer is really bulky on my teeth. Sometimes I forgot to use it. Sorry, doctor. and they actually, it's hard done the braces when you have retainer. Actually, I have retainer in the house, Then after those, I it's been like 2 years, and I went to my regular doctor, and they told me I got three doctors, guys, in only in my teeth: the regular doctor, the braces doctor, and then the implant doctor. Okay, so my braces cost, I think, out of our pocket, it's 6,000 plus. The braces, it's just out of the pocket after insurance. That's what the estimate, but you know. And then in my implant, I got two implant here. I got two implant here. So it cost me 10k, 5k, and 5k. It's really expensive here. And you know, out of my pocket, I think we pay 8k, and some insurance paid that, because the only thing is, when you use like within a year for any treatment, they deduct it in insurance. So when you use that within a year, and I have braces and stuff and like that, they took it out, and only balance, only less balance that you get, and then you get another treatment. So that's what it is. And after those today, I got still numbing, because in order to put braces, they need to have foundation hair. I don't know, to work the wire braces in my teeth, because I'm missing teeth here. So they advised me to do implant, but I have implant at first, before I start my braces. So believe me, I got implant hair, and there's a lot of numbing and everything, and I hit needles anyway. I hit needles. So they numb it there, and they took the bracket there. And the worst thing is, I think after 1 year, one of my implant, because I got one implant and this one implant, is wiggling. So that's wiggling. They need to redo it again, and I need to back 0. So 2 years after, 1 year after, and then I start there to count again how many years, just in order to implant, stay there before I got my braces. Right? So when they check it out, and then the implant is good, and they put braces in my teeth, and now they start doing braces. So I have braces, I have implant, but the implant could be the last one, because you need to do braces first before you put a crown in my implant, because they prevent to break the crown out for the braces or whatever adjustment to do. And today in 7 years, I had those crown already here, and congratulations for me. I had that crown, and I'm done with the 2 crown here. I show you guys. This is the last end, and this is the last end. And now I have another plant, guys. This could be the last one. It's another plant. Treatment of my teeth. So that would be my denture. That's the last one. So that they actually do the missing teeth here. This is the baby tooth that I have teeth in here. Look at that. And they're gonna do the denture here. So I'm not gonna doing implant again, because I didn't wanna spend 7 years again. And I have my and then before that, my implant does, I have a feeling, because I got a cavity, because it's been almost 2 years that I did not went to regular doctor for cleaning because I think some reason of our insurance, and they did not accept that yet, and then we need to find a new doctors, and then it wait and wait, So last 2 weeks, I have feelings, sir, from a regular doctor. That's a new regular doctor we have that we found. And they poke me in the needle, and they poke me in the needle. I don't want the needle. And I got feeling this 1 week, within 1 week, and then I have feeling in the another week. Today, I have a needle too, like 2 needle here, implant, so that they can work on. And then another 2 needles here, actually. So it hurts. And then I have the last plan that I have. Congratulations to me. And I asked to my implant doctor if I can still get needle. That's why I did not want to get a medical field to work. I'm scared with needle and blood. Okay guys, this is the story that I have for you. If you guys have any questions about it, I experienced it. I can tell you what I feel. So, it's not really like a fixed figure to tell you how much, but how you do it, how you can get it done, and just let me know. And you can comment, share below, and if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please, thank you for your support, and thank you so much. And you guys have a safe day.